In this video, I'm going to show you how to download mods for Minecraft 1.21.5. The first thing you want to do is you want to open up the Minecraft launcher. Make sure that Minecraft Java Edition is selected, and then underneath the version selector, you want to go ahead and press on latest release, which of course should be Minecraft 1.21.5, and then go ahead and just press on play. Alright, so once you load it into Minecraft 1.21.5, you can go ahead and just close out of it just like so, because we need to go ahead and load into the version of Minecraft we are trying to get mods first. But anyways guys, once you're done with that, we can proceed to the next step. The next thing you want to do is you want to go to the link in the description down below or in the pinned comment, and then it is going to bring you to a site that does look like this. It is going to give you a written instruction on how to do the entire process, but it will also give you all of the tools and files that you will need in order to actually start running mods. So anyways guys, we just did step number 1, which was to launch Minecraft 1.21.5. So step number 2 is to download a mod loader. Now essentially we need a mod loader in order to run mods in Minecraft, and it is going to bridge the gap between Minecraft and the actual mod itself. So it's really important that you guys go ahead and actually pay attention to this step. So we have two main options when it comes to downloading Minecraft mods. We have the mod loader called Forge, and we also have the other mod loader called Fabric. Now both of these mod loaders are incredibly popular. However, for this video, I'm going to go ahead and actually download the Forge mod loader. However, you can go ahead and download the Fabric mod loader as well. Let me just show you guys both of the installation pages. So if you wanted to download the Fabric mod loader, then what you want to do is you want to go ahead and go under step number 2, and then go ahead and select on the blue link that does say Fabric installer, and then it is going to direct you to the download for Fabric. So you need to go ahead and just press on universal jar, or you guys could also go ahead and press over here where it does say Forge download, and then download the Forge mod loader. And again, I am going to be using Forge for this video, and that is mainly because it's more common, it's more popular. There are more mods for Forge, so for this video I'm just going to go ahead and use Forge. But if you want to go ahead and get mods for Fabric, that is definitely an option for you. But if you're going to use Forge, make sure that you do select on Minecraft 1.21.5, which we did right over here. So anyways guys, now what we're going to be doing is we're going to go ahead and just press on installer, and then just wait a little bit, and then there you go. It's going to bring you to a page that looks like this. You want to go ahead and press on this skip button towards the top right, and now it will install the Forge installer to your device. So for clarity purposes, I'm going to go ahead and drag and drop the Forge installer to my desktop right over here, just for clarity purposes. And I recommend that you guys do the exact same thing, but obviously if you do have a different web browser, then you may not see the file over here like where it says download. So you guys could always go ahead and find your Forge installer by opening up your file explorer and then just looking underneath downloads. But anyways guys, now that we got that out of the way, let's go ahead and move on to the next step. It is time for you to actually pick the mods that you want to go ahead and install, and there's many great websites out there that will provide you with free mods, but one of the most popular ones and most reliable ones is CurseForge. So it is going to give you a link over here that is going to direct you to CurseForge right over here, and here we are. So as you're able to tell, over here where it says game versions, you want to just confirm that Minecraft 1.21 is actually selected, and then where it says mod loaders, you want to go ahead and select on whether you decided to download Forge or Fabric. So again, for this video, I did end up downloading Forge, so I'm just going to go ahead and select on Forge. However, if you chose Fabric, then you want to go ahead and select on Fabric. The choice is really up to you. The process will basically be the same thing. But anyways guys, once you're done with that, you want to go ahead and just browse all of these different mods and find one that you like. So for this video, I'm going to go ahead and download the journey map mod right over here. So I'm just going to go ahead and select on it like so. Then I'm going to go ahead and where it says game versions, press on 1.21.5 once again. Then it's going to give you a list of all the different versions, and you want to make sure that it is updated to Minecraft 1.21.5 and that it actually does work for your mod loader. So let's go ahead and find one that does work for Forge. Okay, yep, so it's this one. So here it will say Forge, and it does work for Minecraft 1.21.5. And if you're doing this for Fabric, then as you're able to tell, Fabric is right over here as well. But anyways guys, let's just go ahead and install Forge right over here. So let's go ahead and press on these 3 dots and then press on download file. Then just wait a little bit, and then there you go. It will now download our mod. Now for clarity purposes, I'm going to go ahead and once again drag and drop the mod to my desktop, just because this will just make things way more easier later on in the video guys. So I recommend that you guys do the same thing. Alright guys, so we can now return to the website one more time and move on to the next step, which is to install Java for Minecraft 1.21.5. Now you will actually need Java if you're trying to run any type of mods or shaders or anything like that, so it is essential that you have this installed. over here, it is going to give you the direct download to Java. And do not worry guys, downloading Java is incredibly easy and it is completely for free. So here we are, and you want to make sure that JDK21 is selected right over here, because we will need Java 21 in order to actually download mods. Then you want to go ahead and select on your operating system. So this will work whether you're on a Linux, a Mac OS, or on a Windows. So me personally, I'm on a Windows, so I would just go ahead and select on Windows and then install the x64 installer right over here. And you basically just want to go ahead and install Java from there. It is going to give you all the instructions and stuff like that. But guys, if you're running into issues when you're trying to download Java, do not worry guys. One possible solution is to run the Jarfix. So the Jarfix is an executable command that will run on your device, and it will essentially attempt to repair all of your Java files and reconnect them and basically reconfigure it in order to make Java work on your device. So this step is only for people who are running into issues with downloading Java. So if you downloaded Java and there's no problems, then you don't need to do this step. However, I do think that it's always good to know, just in case, you know, Java gives you issues in the future. But basically you just want to go ahead and open up the page. Then you want to go ahead and press on jarfix.exe, and then it is going to basically run a command on your computer. Alright guys, but once you're done with that, we can go ahead and proceed to the next step. Alright, but once you're done with that, you should have your mod or mods. If you want to download more than one mod, that is absolutely something that you guys could do. And you also want to have your mod loader installer. So again, for this video, I'm using the Forge installer, but you could obviously use Fabric as well. The next thing you want to do is you want to go ahead and just right click on the Forge installer or your mod loader installer. So it could also be the Fabric installer, and you want to go ahead and hover over here where it says open with, and then as you're able to tell, we will now get the option that says Java TM platform SE binary. So you want to go ahead and select on that option right over here, and now just wait a little bit, and then it is going to open up a menu that looks like this. From here, make sure that you do select on install client, and over here it is going to tell you exactly where in your device it is going to install Forge in. But once you're done with that, you want to go ahead and just press on OK, and now it'll begin to install Forge for Minecraft 1.21.5. So just wait for it a little bit. All right, and then it should say that it's successfully installed. So let's just go ahead and press on OK, and from here, let's go ahead and open up the Minecraft launcher. All right, so here we are in the Minecraft launcher. So make sure that Minecraft Java Edition is selected over here, and then towards the version selector right over here, you should see that it will pick Forge 1.21.5. However, if you do not see that option, do not worry, because what you also need to do is you need to go to the top over here, then go ahead and press on installations. Then where it says versions, you want to make sure that the box that says modded is actually turned on, because this is actually considered a modded version of Minecraft. So it's really important that you have this box turned on as well. But obviously, if you're also running into issues, you can go ahead and just press on new installation, and then just look for it right over here. So literally just type in 1.21.5 for like Forge or Fabric, you know, depends on what mod loader you did install. But anyways, guys, what you want to do is you want to go back to this page over here, and then you want to go ahead and locate the installation with your mod loader. So here it is. So mine is right over here. It will say Forge and then 1.21.5. And basically what we need to do is we need to go to the right of it, and we need to go ahead and press on this folder, and it will say open installations folder. So let's go ahead and press on it like so, and then it is going to give us a bunch of folders over here, guys. But do not worry, because we only need to focus on one folder, and that is the mods folder. So it is right over here, and if for whatever reason you don't see a mods folder on your device, do not worry. What you could always do is you can go ahead and just right click on it, then go ahead and just press on new, then go ahead and press on folder, and then call it mods in all lowercase. But anyways, all you want to do is you want to go ahead and just double click on your mods folder right over here. And now what we're going to be doing is we're going to go ahead and dragging and dropping the mod that we downloaded previously inside of this folder. So literally go ahead and just drag it in here. Yep, there you go. And if you do have more than one mod, you could obviously go ahead and just drag them as well. But once you went ahead and dragged in all your mods, you want to go ahead and just close out of it like so. Then you want to head back to the Minecraft launcher. Then you want to go to the top menu, select on play. Make sure that in the version selector, Forge or whatever mod loader you did decide, so obviously it could be Fabric, but you basically want to make sure that it is selected. Then you want to go ahead and just press on play. Then press on the box that says I understand, and press on play one more time. All right, so now we loaded in, and as you're able to tell, it will say Minecraft 1.21, and then it will say that there's actually a couple mods loaded in. So that is a good sign. And from here, you want to go ahead and just join any Minecraft game or any Minecraft world you have. And here we are, boys. As you're able to tell, we do have the journey map mod that we did just install previously. So as you're able to tell, it is completely working. If you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe, as we are trying to reach 400,000 subscribers. See you later, French fries.